Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas app. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here in this page. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about the application of Tapas and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.